You are probably watching a lot of motivational videos. Maybe you are listening to podcasts. Maybe you are reading a lot of books. Or maybe you are paying for courses, programs, seminars, workshops. You are studying success. You are learning about the tools, principles, and strategies on how you can become successful. But nothing seems to work. Maybe you are bothered right now. Maybe you are thinking hard. Maybe you are a little bit worried on why. Why is it that you are not successful yet? Even though you are working hard or even studying a lot of things about success. And the reason for that is you have patterns, you have traits that will not make you successful. That you are still doing things unrelated to your success. So in this episode, we will talk about the 7 reasons why you are not yet successful. And these are the things that you must change immediately. Number 1 is you can't define success. You don't even know what success is for you. A lot of people are saying, Sir MJ, I'm working really hard. Sir MJ, I'm doing my best. Sir MJ, for how many years I've been building my business, my career, my content creation, my brand. I've been reading a lot of books. But still, I am not yet successful. It's because you don't even know what success is. If you want to be successful, you have to define exactly what you mean by successful. If you want to go from point A to point B, you have to know your point B. Because you will only be pointed towards the right direction if you have a destination. And if your destination is success, saan yun? What exactly do you mean by success? And I'm not talking about my definition of success. I'm talking about your definition of success. Now, don't get me wrong. Your definition of success may change through time. Because success is not an endpoint, it is a journey. But even though it is a journey, you still have to define saan ka pupunta. For example, traveling in a lot of countries can be your definition of success, right? It can be a representation of success for you. But for you to be able to travel to different countries, you have to define, ito yung una kong pupuntahan, ito yung pangalawa, ito yung pangatlo, ito yung pang-apat. So you can have multiple destinations, but the question is, what is your destination now? So it means that even if you are working hard, maybe you are working hard on a different direction, on a direction where you are not moving towards success. Pwedeng iba yung direction mo, work hard ka nga, takbo ka nga ng takbo, mali naman yung direction mo. Ang layo nga ng narating mo, kabilang direction naman. Opposite pala nung success yung pinupuntahan mo. Kasi nga hindi mo alam kung ano yung success para sa'yo. And that is the main reason why I created the success blueprint for you. I'm gonna put the link somewhere in this video, the description, and the comment section, because it's extremely important that you understand who you are. Now think about it. There are a lot of free contents out there that will teach you how to close deals, how to run ads, how to do marketing, how to create your own brand, how to sell products, how to develop your own products. You can even buy courses around it. But again, you won't be able to apply all these things if you don't understand yourself, if you don't know who you are, if you cannot define success. And that's the main purpose of my course. It is your success blueprint. It is your foundation for success, for you to understand yourself better. Hopefully, by the time that you are watching this video, there will still be bonuses for you. That is why you have to visit the site right now. So what can be the bonus for you? For more than 15 years, I had been a speaker. I'm doing coaching, facilitating events, training people. And in my experience, a lot of people doesn't seem to move forward because the most effective way to actually mentor people is the daily coaching and the intimate mastermind sessions. Now, right now, if you want to attend my mastermind sessions, you have to pay more than 50,000 pesos to attend one of my mastermind sessions. The good news is, if you enroll in the course right now, you will get 3 mastermind sessions for free. And it will also be recorded for you, so you can review it. So the mastermind session itself will give you massive value, but the course is below 8,000 pesos. So you are paying as low as 88 pesos per day for 3 months. And if you still can't afford the course, you can join the Mastery University, where I answer all your questions, where I do my best to create even more value. And the Mastery University community is free for you to gain clarity. So yung number 1 reason why you are not yet successful, tatapusin na natin yan sa Success Blueprint course or sa Mastery University. Either way, you have a choice. Number 2, you don't have self-control. You are always attracted to short-term happiness. It can be alcohol, it can be vices, it can be parties, and the worst is social media. This right here, something that will fit your pocket, something na pwede mong dalhin kahit saan, can be the main source of your distraction. Well, obviously, it is attractive. Imagine mo, you can communicate to a lot of people using this. But the biggest problem is we are using our phone the wrong way. Mali yung paggamit natin. Because in reality, we can earn from this. We can sell products. We can promote products. Even if you don't have your own product, pwede ka magbenta ng produkto gamit to. Pero ano ginagawa natin? Scroll. Nanonood ng mga attractive na tao. Either sumasayaw na babae, pakembot-kembot, tumatumbling, yung tipong halos kita na lahat. Most of the time, even adult videos dito natin pinapanood. So, you are being rewarded for doing nothing. And what's the reward? Distractions. What's the reward? Entertainment. And the worst part with the trend right now, that people are being entertained by hating other people. Natutuwa yung mga tao sa pang-hate, natutuwa yung mga tao sa pag-create ng clout. And that is the main reason why people are not yet successful. Kasi kung hindi mo tatanggalin yung hate sa katawan mo, you will never ever be happy. Your life will be miserable. And the main reason why we are distracted, the main reason why we don't have self-control is it can be more attractive for us. Nauuna yung reward bago yung pagod. Think about it. Ano mas masarap? Kumain ng matamis, di ba? Kumain ng masasarap. So, maaga kang na-reward. It is rewarding initially. Pero yung proper nutrition, yung pag-juice, yung pag-inom ng tea, yung pag-inom ng supplements, yung pag-inom ng maraming tubig, yung fasting, yung workout, yung meditation, yung cold showers, mahirap siya. So, hindi siya attractive sa una. Pero, you will feel attractive. You will be more attractive in the long run. And the good news is, you will be able to attract the same-minded people in the long run if you are willing to control yourself. So, kung wala kang self-control, madidistract ka, kung saan-saan ka titingin, kung saan-saan ka lilingon, kay positive yan, kay negative yan. If you don't have control over your own life, you don't have a life. Number 3, you are not honest with yourself. Hindi ka totoo sa sarili mo. Hindi mo matanggap yung mga bagay na mali sa'yo. You cannot even accept that you are in a mess right now. In social media, probably you are always wearing a mask. Yung struggles mo, yung challenges mo, yung totoong buhay mo, minamaskarahan mo ng kunwari magandang buhay. To the point na ang buhay mo na lang is mag-post, mag-my day, patunayan sa kapitbahay mo na mayaman ka kahit hindi naman. At yung kapitbahay mo, yun din naman ang ginagawa. At the end of the day, naglolokohan kayo, pero hindi kayo nakafocus sa sarili nyong buhay. Imagine being honest with yourself right now. Masakit, yes. Kasi di ba ang sakit tanggapin na baka may utang ka ngayon. Na kaya miserable buhay mo, hindi mo mabayaran. Nagtatago ka. Ang sakit tanggapin na mahirap ka ngayon. Ang sakit tanggapin na mataba ka, kahit totoo namang mataba ka. Ang sakit tanggapin na may mali kang ginagawa. Ang sakit tanggapin na kaya ka walang resulta kasi kasalanan mo. But in reality, yun ang totoo. But the moment that you accept all that, the moment that you accept that your life is your accountability and your responsibility, you will be liberated from the fear. You will be free. I'm gonna give myself as an example. A lot of people had been hating me for my looks. A lot of people had been telling me, pimples, ganyan, mukhang paa or whatever. Ako kasi, I accept the fact na hindi talaga makinis mukha ko. Alam ko kasi yon, tanggap ko kasi yon. Kaya hindi ako nasasaktan. Kasi alam ko sa sarili ko, that I'm choosing to create more value. I'm choosing to work hard for my people. I'm choosing to take responsibility for the trust given to me. A lot of people may be thinking, si Sir MJ deserve ng maraming views. Si Sir MJ hindi nagte-trending, blah, blah, blah. But for me, it's okay because I know I'm focused on my mission. I'm focused on my vision that I really want to help people. Ayoko kasing makipagplastikan sa mga influencers na alam ko naman yung ugali. I am learning my lesson. I'm protecting myself from collaborations. Kasi alam naman natin na people are hating me not because of who I am, but because napanood nila yung videos ko somewhere, di ba? So right now, I learned my lesson. I will be protecting my space. I'm trying to connect people, di ba? I'm doing my best to connect with people. But the first time na sumabray sila, pansin nyo ba na hindi na nauulit yung mga collaborations? Kasi alam ko yung ginagawa nilang mali. It's just that I accept the fact that ito yung choice na pinili ko and I'm dedicated to do my best. Same goes with you. Just imagine, for 1 whole year. Yung alam mong dapat mong gawin, yung alam mong kailangan mong gawin, yung alam mong pwede mong gawin, gagawin mo lang araw-araw. For just 1 year. Imagine the results. Because at the end of the day, alam mo sa sarili mo yung mali sa'yo. You just have to accept. Kasi pag na-accept mo na yung mali, maitatama mo na siya. Always remember that the first step in solving a problem is recognizing that there is one. And maybe you are the problem. Number 4, you have a poor mindset. And this is the reason why you are poor. And being poor means that you will have a poor life. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that money equals success. No, that's wrong, alright? But understand that money is a part of success. If you have money, you will have freedom. You can buy your freedom. You can do whatever you want, however you want, whenever you want. If you have the money, you can fund your projects. You can fund your business. You can even fund your own happiness. Halimbawa, ang nagpapasaya sa'yo mag-beach. Hindi naman yung libre. Halimbawa, ang nagpapasaya sa'yo mag-travel. Hindi yung libre. Halimbawa, ang nagpapasaya sa'yo pumorma. Nagbibuild ng self-image mo is bumili ng damit, bumili ng relo. Kung ang nagpapasaya sa'yo is magandang buhay para sa pamilya mo, hindi yung libre. It will cost you money. Which means that working on all the aspects of your lives can involve money. That is why it is very important that you know how to earn money. Money is not everything, so it should be easy for us to earn money if you have the proper mindset. And understand that a poor mindset can also translate to all aspects of your life, because a poor mindset can translate to a poor well-being. So that would mean poor health. Poor mindset can also mean poor in relationships, poor in communications, poor in confidence, poor in worthiness, poor in taking action. So bottom line, all the aspects of your life related to your success is a byproduct of your mindset. Number 5, you are narcissistic. You seem to know everything. You can't even allow other people to celebrate their own success. Even the tiny version of their own success. You can't even allow other people to celebrate their achievements. Especially the small ones. Pag merong masaya, negative ka. Pag merong mga taong nagiging mas successful, imbis na matuwa ka sa kanila, ida-down mo, ini-negative mo. Pag meron namang tao na hindi maganda yung nangyayari sa kanila, baka natutuwa ka pa. That's narcissistic. Sometimes you even pretend to care about the community, even the whole country. You pretend to care about the Philippines. Well, in fact, you can't even fix your own life. Daming ganyan eh. That's the next level gaslighting. That's the next level manipulation game. People will pretend to care about you, to care about the country. Tapos ang sasabihin nila yung mga bagay na gusto mong marinig. Tapos anong mangyayari? Sisirain yung mindset mo. They will push you to hate other people. Naninira sila. Hindi ba kayo nagtataka? Gano'n ka weird? The same people who seem to care about the country, the same people who pretend to care about you, sisiraan yung ibang tao, maninira ng kapwa Pilipino. Isn't that a bit manipulative? That is why I want you to learn how to think, not what to think. You don't have to believe me, alright? You don't have to believe me. You don't have to care for me. Wala pang internet, I'm already a millionaire. I'm doing a lot of business already. Kaya nga, hindi ako nakikisali sa laro ng mga influencers. Hindi ako nakikisali sa cloud game nila para lang mag-trending. Because even without the internet, my business is working. And I'm here to tell you that you must not be narcissistic. We are in an era right now that attention is monetization. Ngayon lang yan. Because time will come, negative attention will turn to negative self-worth and negative net worth. So if you want to start creating content, if you want to start to build your own brand, do it the right way. Have integrity. Be honest with yourself. And please don't be narcissistic. The more that you know, the more that you will realize that you don't know enough. That is why in my journey, as I move forward, as I build businesses, mas naiintindihan ko kung gaano kalaki ang negosyo. Mas naiintindihan ko kung gaano kahirap ang negosyo. That is why I'm learning and still growing. And I encourage you to do the same. Focus on learning and growing as a person. Kasi hindi mo alam lahat. At baka wala ka talagang alam. Number 6, you don't believe in yourself. Now, whatever it is that you wanna do, whatever it is that you are selling, the business that you wanna build for yourself, the career that you wanna start, kahit ano pang binebenta mo, basta naniniwala ka sa sarili mo, you will become successful. A lot of people are too focused on competition. Marami bang fast food sa Philippines? Yeah. Pero di ba ang daming successful na fast food? Lahat naman sila nabibilhan. You will notice ang Jollibee katabi McDo. You will notice yung mga nagtitinda ng pizza magkakatabi. You will even notice sa Pansol, punong-puno ng resort, ang daming kompetisyon. Pero lahat napupuno, lahat may kliyente. It's because if you believe in your service, if you believe in your product, if you believe in yourself, eventually, kahit ano pa yung binebenta mo, mabebenta at mabebenta yan. Kikita at kikita ka. So it's not about believing in these influencers. You don't have to believe me. I encourage you to review. Aralin mo maigi yung sinasabi ko. Di mo naman kailangan paniwalaan agad eh. Di aralin mo maigi. Pakinggan mo ulit. Immerse yourself in the community. I-try mo yung course para mas maintindihan mo sino ba talaga yung kausap mo. Because at the end of the day, kahit anong marinig mong information, kahit anong matutunan mo, kahit gaano ka-powerful yung mentor na kausap mo, kahit gaano kalupit yung idea, kung hindi mo kayang i-apply, kung hindi ka naniniwala sa sarili mo, wala kang makikreate na resulta. Zero. And it can also be detrimental for you. Pwedeng ma-negative ka pa nga. Yan yung nangyayari sa mga tao. Ang daming knowledge, ang daming pinakinggan, ang daming napanood na video, ang daming binasang libro, walang resulta. Now, kine-question na nila yung knowledge. Now, minamasama na nila yung knowledge. Kasi in reality, tumalino, pero hindi ko mapalang bulsa. Nasobrahan tayo sa talino, pero in reality, yung talino, dapat wala lang dito. Dapat inaaksyonan. Tandaan nyo, yung gigil, yung gigil, huwag niyong ilagay sa muka. Ha? Huwag niyong daanin sa sigaw. Okay? Kasi pag yung gigil nilagay mo sa muka, nakakapangit lalo yun. Okay? Ang gigil nilalagay sa paa. Ang gigil, kino-convert into action. That is why if you are thinking hard about something, you have to be working harder in applying what you are thinking. So if this is the thinking, this should be the working. Baliktad yung nangyayari sa mga tao. This is the thinking, no working. Wala talagang mag-work. So if you want things to work, then work. Number 7, you are afraid. Maybe you are afraid to fail, or maybe you are afraid of success itself. Kasi iba akala natin, takot lang tayo mag-fail. Ito yung akin ha. Ito yung akin. Let's be honest. Takot ba talaga tayo mag-fail? Eh di ba dati nang tayong failure? Yung mga kagaya kong galing sa hirap, sige nga, kayo magsabi sa akin. Takot ba tayong mahirapan? Eh di ba sanay na tayong mahirapan? Hindi tayo takot sa hirap. Hindi tayo takot mahirapan. Paano mo masasabing takot ka sa hirap, takot kang mahirapan? Eh ayaw mo nga umalis sa hirap. Pinapahirapan mo nga utak mo, pinapahirapan mo nga puso mo, pinapahirapan mo nga sarili mo. So hindi ka takot sa hirap. Takot ka sa risk. Takot ka sa success. In reality, kaya hindi tayo nagtitake ng action, we are afraid of success. It is in our human behavior that we are always afraid of the things that we don't understand. We are always afraid of the things that we don't know. So kung hindi ka pa successful ngayon, you don't know success yet. Kung hindi ka pa mayaman ngayon, you don't know a wealthy life yet. It is unknown to you. And since unknown siya sa'yo, natatakot ka ngayon. Natatakot kang gawin. Natatakot kang makarating doon. Kasi alam natin na hindi natin sure kung kaya ba nating i-handle yung success. Now, I may to tell you, kung na-handle mo yung problema mo ngayon, if you are struggling hard, if you are having your own silent wins, you can handle success. The main reason why you are facing challenges, the main reason why you are facing struggles right now, the main reason why you are sacrificing a lot, it's because God is preparing you for something big. But you have to believe, you have to work on it. So huwag kang matakot sa success. Kung paano mo hinandle yung hirap at kung paano mo hinandle yung kahirapan, ganun din i-handle sa success. Pero kailangan mong lumipat. Kailangan mong tumawid. And the best lesson I can give you in this video is this. Nakakatakot talaga. Promise. Alam ko yung nararamdaman nyo, okay? Pero ang nakatulong sa akin is clarity. Kasi if you have clarity, if you know who you are, if you know what you want, kahit medyo unknown pa si success, kahit parang ang hirap i-handle na success, kahit parang ang hirap itawid, if you have clarity, if you have a roadmap, if you have a blueprint, it will be easier and it will be more attractive because you will now have a vision for yourself. You can visualize what success is for you. You can actually live in that future life, that future self. You can live in the future you that is more confident. You can live in the future you that is more decisive, more assertive. You can live in a future you where you have better habits, better patterns. And that will only happen if you have a blueprint. That is why our team is working really hard to give you bonuses for the course because yung sinasabi kong 14 days sa website, nagbago na, no? Nadagdagan siya ng mga bonus days para sa inyo because I'm here dedicated to help you. I want you to understand what will work for you. And what will work for you is something that you will discover if you will have your own success blueprint. So yun lang guys, what's your biggest takeaway? Please share this in the comment section. Please share this on your wall. Please also share this in all social media channels. And please share this with your friends because maybe, just maybe, they also need to watch this video. Now, I encourage everyone here to stop resisting the ideas and just accept. Because time will come that we will all go back to this video and you will say, oo nga no, ito ako dati, pero nagbago na ako. Kasi kaya kong i-accept. So yun lang guys, this is the end of the video. And always remember that everything good starts with a yes. And yes, my name is MJ Lopez and see you soon.